You guys know my car been stolen, so I have to use the work truck. See my work truck? It's a little beat up little truck. Got over 200,000 miles on it. I have no gas in it, and it says check the gauge. It's a little beater truck for me to get around, so basically I had to pull out the work truck to even go get something to eat with my sister, bro. I ain't gonna lie, this shit look nasty.
It do look a little crazy. No, yeah. Oh shit.
Shit too salty, man.
What you think, bro?
It tastes like salt.
What's that? Bro, I got a 3-piece combo, bro. There's like a lot more than 3 piece. Yeah. Yo, people been really nice to me today. It's crazy, bro. Nice to us.
Come on.
Right on my heady, bro.
Sauce?
Yep. I'm never coming out.
Give me a design.
Sauce. What's my name? Rate it.
The chicken sandwich? That shit like a 2, bro.
Really?
Your ass.
Yo, and Barry eats a lot, so if he's complaining, bro, the food is that.
Hope you're having a good day. I'm having an okay day. I mean, I'm not in my regular car. I'm in my freaking work truck. How's your chicken?
It's alright. Not bad. You missing your car?
Yeah, man, it's my baby.
Can't believe it, bro. Devastating, bro.
I couldn't sleep last night. I ain't gonna lie, this Blackened ticket, I'm about to return this shit. This shit nasty.
Well, he ate half of it though. Crazy. Yeah.
It's like they took mad, like cayenne pepper and just put it on there, bro.
Mind you guys, cayenne has no flavor. It's just salt. Cayenne has no flavor.
Just that shit tastes like the sea.
It is, while he continues to eat it. He continues to eat it, bro.
You're not gonna waste it up.
So it wasn't even spicy?
Oh.
Yo, it didn't look appetizing to me, so I didn't get it.
Unless it's just this Popeye that's just trash, bro.
It's probably, yeah. I heard Popeyes down south. Bro, everything down south is just gotta be better, I guess. Okay.
These niggas get a 2 on Yelp. I'm about to leave a review. Freaking fries or brand.
Let me see this box. What is it looking like? Wow. Oh, these do look better. Oh, wow.
I'm not eating no more of that shit. How they do this to shit to me? Give me a freaking salty chicken, bro.
Take one of mine, bro. Just take it. Good. It's that fresh chicken, bro. Oh, shit.
Get this chicken sandwich, this shit ass.
Well, I could already tell. I just knew. I knew. That's that foodie instinct, bro. Yo, I know good food. You got more chicken.
So yeah, y'all. Just want to do a little mukbang on my sis. Hopefully y'all having a good day, and if y'all wasn't having a good day, hopefully I made your day better. Sauce. I love y'all niggas. And be that out.